Thanks for your purchase of our screen. After getting the product, please carefully look at our case installation instructions. We provide PDF file and video. It can effectively help you install the case. Please notice that our screen only supports Raspbian version system. Because our screen uses the SPI interface, it cannot be used directly after connecting to Raspberry Pi. Here we provide two ways to make screen work. One is to install the LCD35 system image file directly. Please unzip this file. If you don't want to install our system image file, we can install the driver in official Raspbian system. Here we will introduce how to install the driver. First, we need to send the driver file from our computer to Raspberry Pi system. We need to install Samba in Raspberry. In our tutorial, we have the specific video and file. After the successful installation of Samba, we can find the Raspberry Pi system in Windows by its IP address. We can use ifconfig order to find IP address. This is the IP address, and then we can find it in Windows. Here, IP.pi. Please notice that we need to enter the name and the password in the first hand. Name is Pi. Name is Pi. Password is Raspberry. Now we enter into Raspberry Pi system. Use ls command. We can see the file both in the Raspberry and Windows are same. Then copy driver file LCD show to Raspberry Pi system. Now we can see the driver file. Open how to install the driver file. Enter the command according to the contents of the document. Then, install the 3.5-inch screen to Raspberry Pi. The screen will begin working. If you need to switch your system to HDMI output or upgrade the system, we also have specific instructions in this tutorial. Thank you for watching.